You lighting firecrackers and fireworks for the 4th of July? Woo!
You have to clean these up afterwards, okay? Just leave them on the floor for now.
All right, we gotta light Jordans.
Yo, let me get that lighter.
Oh.
Wow.
Now look, mama, this.
That is so cool.
Yo, let me get that lighter.
Oh, yeah. Give me a thing. Say yes.
Jordan, wait.
Yo, where'd this come from?
Demo had it.
Here, hold on.
Other had it. Where'd you get this from? How you have this from? You said you had this. Oh, no. Jordan had it. Ah, motherfucker. No, let's go down.
Wow, that looks...
I got you, man.
Whoa! All right, you gotta give Jordan something he could go.
Heck no. My dancing though.
Yo, it scared the heck out of me.
All right, we gotta light Jordan's, Daddy.
Hold on.
You ready, Jordan?
Stop moving.
All right, here we go. Let's get ready to light. Woo!
Don't point it at anybody, Jordan.
Go, Jordan! Woo! Happy 4th of July! Woo!
Power 107.
Whoa!
Hey, we're about to light this one.
Nice, Jordan.
When it goes down, drop it on the floor, okay?
Drop it?
No, not yet.
Daddy, I think I want to not drop it.
Okay. All right, let's see what Daddy's doing over here. Come on, Jordan.
Yeah.
But we gotta make sure we stand back because we want to always be safe, right, Jordan? All right.
What happens if you open these and go in the air? Okay.
I got you. Cool. There it goes. Oh, it's not right. Wait. All right, die down.
Whoa! Wow! Oh my God! I'm so glad Jordan was really far.
Word.
All right, so Daymars, get ready to light some more. We got the.
Just do one and then move. And then do the next one. Oh! They don't shoot off like. Let's shoot up. Watch out.
Oh!
Shoot! Oh, that scared the life out of me.
That was nice.
Yo, that scared the life out of me. I did not expect that.
All right, do the other one.
No.
Okay, now we know what it does.
Wow. Close your ears, everybody.
Oh, parachute. The parachute, you see it?
Oh yes, the parachute.
Can you see? Oh, you can't see.
Oh man, guys, that on YouTube you can't see the parachute.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it looks so cool. Wow. Let's see if the parachute comes down.
Yo, let's see what they
let's open
comes
for
inside.
him.
Yo, that's
Oh man, it looks so cool.
Hey.
Let everybody on YouTube see what the parachute looks like.
Is this
Oh,
the
here.
parachute?
Oh, that is so cool.
Anything that's not light?
All right, he's lighting 3 at one time.
Oh, chill. Watch out.
Whoa!
Move on.
Woo! Oh my God. Oh!
Yes.
Woo!
That was crazy.
Oh my God.
One more
All
time.
right. All right, Tiara's getting ready to light one.
Shucks, that hit my finger.
Okay, be careful, girl.
Watch out.
Woo!
Wow.
Oh my God, YouTube, I wish you could see this. Look at the smoke.
Deploy like
Look at the parachute. Go get it. Oh.
We should make it into a challenge.
All right.
Hey.
Hi, Jordan.
Oh, then we're gonna pop the challenge.
Oh, you're going to do, all right, let's see who can pop them the fastest. You ready? All right, here we go. On your mark, get set, go.
Wait.
Come on, Jordan. Did you open it yet?
No.
Jack, help him open it, please. Woo.
That's loud, mommy.
No, it's not loud. Just hold his, Jordan.
Look, it started without me here.
All right, here we go.
Yes.
On your mark, get set, go. Woo. Let's see who's popping up the fastest. Come on, Jordan.
Oh, you gotta throw it away from yourself before you get hurt.
Hey Jordan, you wanna see something cool?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, Jack is winning. Uh-oh, Tiara's lighting something. Move back, Jordan. Back up, Jordan. Woo!
you gotta dodge them, mother.
Happy 4th of July!
Yeah.
Jordan, come say hi to the boys and girls. Jordan, you having fun?
I'm gonna hurt you, mommy.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna go around you.
Jordan, are you having fun?
I'm gonna hurt you, Mark.
Jordan, are you having fun?
Yes.
Whoa! Whoa!
Parachute! Get me! Get me!
Parachute!
Get
Yay!
Yes!
Yes! All right.
Yo, can you record me on Snapchat?
Come on, Jordan. You can't just steal every parachute.
Hey, Mom.
Hold on.
Let's shoot.
By the car, come.
All right, now we get ready to do the big mama pajama. Ooh, that's pretty.
That's it. That's it. That's all it is. Just the fountain.
Oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, look at the pretty colors. Whoa! Ooh! Wow! Wow! Oh my God, this is so cool! Oh my God! Oh, that was cool. Oh, it's not done. It's not done. Okay. No, it's not done. Oh my God. Oh my God, you too. All right, Tiara's lighting it.
I'm looking.
All right, here we go.
Yes.
I'm gonna move back.
My boy. Oh, that was different. There you go.
Ooh, look at all this smoke.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah, watch out, mommy.
I am. I'm far back from you. Don't worry. Ooh, that was pretty. Whoa, that one is bigger than the other one. Let me step back. Woo! Whoa! Oh my God, I like this one better than the other one. Oh, that's so cool. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Woo! That was nice, guys. That was our finale. Jordan,
Yeah.
did you have fun?
Yes.
What do you want all the boys and girls to do at home?
Subscribe to my channel.
What's the name of your channel?
Jordan's Adventure!
All right, kids. We'll see you next time on another adventure. Bye.